Are you selling products across various marketplaces? Do you want to take advantage of Amazon FBA network to fulfill orders from eBay and other platforms? Then, you'll definitely need our new extension, M2E Amazon MCF. As an M2E Pro user, you can easily integrate your Adobe Commerce Store with Amazon MCF and use your FBA inventory to fulfill orders from eBay and beyond. Experience streamlined order management and enjoy real-time updates, all synchronized perfectly with your Adobe Commerce system. Getting started is easy. Let's look at the example of connecting an eBay account. First, install the extension from Adobe Commerce Marketplace. Then, ensure you have the compatible version of M2E Pro and that your eBay and Amazon FBA accounts are linked to M2E Pro. Finally, enable the FBA to Magento stock synchronization feature in your Amazon account settings. The extension automatically links your eBay listings to the corresponding Amazon FBA items via SKUs. Use the dashboard to track which products are linked and ready for fulfillment through Amazon MCF. Ensure the efficient order fulfillment process to provide a quick and reliable delivery to your customers. When an item is ordered on eBay, the corresponding order is automatically created in your store. The extension verifies if the product is FBA enabled and in stock, then promptly creates an MCF order for Amazon fulfillment. Manage and monitor your MCF orders directly in the extension. Get real-time order status updates and track your shipment's progress. Always stay informed and prepared to address any fulfillment challenges. Maintain accurate inventory levels with real-time synchronization between Amazon FBA and your Adobe Commerce stock. Forget about overselling and ensure you never miss a sales opportunity due to stock discrepancies. Streamline your logistics and minimize operational costs with a solution that brings efficient order fulfillment to your e-commerce strategy. Install the M2E Amazon MCF extension today.